There's a fishing game on one of them. Should be really funny if he was into that.
Yeah.
Or the thing where I shoot things.
I went way out of the game.
He was sitting on my laptop earlier, like on the keyboard.
It's his passion.
Aww. I'm a kitty. Now I'm gonna go play with the turntable.
I'm going to see what's behind all of this and where it's coming from. Just don't mess with that thing. Don't mess with our sensor, dude.
Mess with everything.
Yeah.